Well, g'day guys, welcome back. Second day at the lake here. This time around, we're going to be helping out one of our neighbours and putting a pet door in for her with her new puppy. There's my little pup Timbit just behind me there on the ground, and it's always good to help neighbours out because it always comes back around later on as well. So stick around, and at the end of the video, we're going to have a brief introduction into the seniors' residence little log cabin. Enjoy! So we got the pet door all installed into her door and back onto her house to keep the cold out now. So stick around just a little bit more and I'll give you a brief walkthrough of the seniors residence little log cabin and where we're at today with it and what we've done recently and what we're going to be doing here in the future. So here we go. We come in the front door here. And then the big double window over there, that one right there. We just put a new window in here last time we were up. Made a whole new frame. The glass is now a double pane, 1 inch overall. And over here, that there will be replaced by that other window that I showed in the intro. That will replace that there, which used to be the original wood stove. I guess ducting, ductwork used to go through that hole in the wall right there, because the original wood stove used to be in here. And then we got two single beds. Sorry for the jump in there. And then this back window here. Last time we're up also, we replaced just the glass in that one from single pane to double pane. The front window was single pane as well, so now that we have double pane in glass front and rear, as well as on the roof now 5 inches thick of solid insulation, put there a couple of years ago when we put the new roof on, as well as under the floor, which is a whole brand new floor, is 3 inches of rigid foam insulation. And then coming all the way around here, we bring us back into the new kitchen area. Now this cabin used to be actually flipped the other way. Back on this side here used to be the kitchen. And then when we moved the whole cabin forwards, which used to be actually right behind us on the old floor, and then we built the new floor in front and then pulled all the walls and the roof forwards off the old floor onto the new floor. And this is where we sit now. We then jacked it up 7.5 inches to give a little more headroom. It feels really cozy in here now. One of the cool features here at the seniors residence is this oil lamp we converted to 110. It has a sensor on the left here and a flame bulb, light bulb in the middle, LED bulb in the middle, and then underneath we have an LED downlight as well to illuminate the ramp on the entrance here. To greet you when you arrive. So thanks for stopping by, and appreciate your time. Time to get back out on the rink with the kids and the family and have a little fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. We'll be back at home and we'll show you the little Land Rover Ivy.